G'day all, Chris here from Torqit, Australia. Just thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the Dodge Ram 1500. So it's had a few more modifications to it. Thank you to Murchison Products in Queensland, in Brendale there. The Harrop Supercharger has now been installed. They also fitted some LongTube headers to it, and then that went back to the existing Torqit exhaust system that I had. Now that was a twin 3-inch exhaust system. But what I want to do for you Ram lovers out there is try and get a video happening to show you the differences between a standard, a slightly modified exhaust system, right up to the LongTube headers, the supercharger, and how it looks and sounds and everything else like that. Now, you know, looking through the forums, everyone's asking, you know, how loud it is, what is there any drone, you know, the power differences and those sort of things. So when the Harrop Supercharger was installed, the cats were modified, larger intake and outtake, still perfectly legal. Comes down into a nice Y pipe into the twin 3-inch exhaust, and there's no rear mufflers on this one. Yeah, so let's give it a run and see how it goes. I know you Ram lovers are super keen to hear the differences of types of exhaust systems out there and how loud they are and what they're like inside the cabin. So this video is all about just trying to get as much information out there to you guys and girls, so you guys can make and girls make your own decisions on what type of exhaust system you want to go. Mind you, when you do LongTube headers, you do need to do an ECU tune, okay, because they will throw up codes and those sort of things. I believe on short headers you can get away with it. So this truck I was always trying to get as much power, 0 to 100. Obviously with the supercharger, as the engine cranks up, as it starts revving, it incrementally gives you more power. So truckload of fun when you put that right foot into it. Alright, so we're going to slow down as best we can so we can get a bit of a shot onto the expressway. Alright, so we're in 110, 60. Alright, so we're going to head back home now, and so we're going to turn on to the expressway. So this will be a 0 to 110. there you go. I hope this video sort of shows you the bit of the differences between the exhaust systems and how they compare when you're driving at 60 kilometers an hour and 100 kilometers per hour and a few things like that. You might have seen the little squirt there from 0 to 110 and how loud or how not loud it is. And like I said, this is a full supercharged Ram 1500 with LongTube headers back to a twin 3-inch exhaust system. So it's when you put your foot down a little bit, you can hear it there, but at idle and 100 kilometers an hour, I'm very happy with it. You know, I think the noise is quite acceptable. There's hardly any drone noise, and you can cruise along the road and listen to your V8.